Welcome to Best Learn English Online. That sounds like a fantastic channel concept. Helping people learn English online can incredibly rewarding. Are you focusing on specific methods or tools, like interactive exercises, grammar tips, or language practice? My family at home. My family lives in a small house. It's simple but pretty. It has a large garden. I like to work in the garden, but my sister hates to work in the garden. She prefers to read. She reads in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. I give all of the vegetables to Mom and Dad. They like to cook in our small kitchen. I eat any vegetable, but my sister eats only a few. My family always eats breakfast and dinner together. We talk. We laugh. Then my sister washes the dishes. At night, Dad likes to listen to music. Mom works on the computer. I watch television. And my sister reads. Soon we go to bed. My parents go to bed late, but my sister and I go to bed early. I'm ready to go to sleep, but my sister wants to keep reading. In the small, cozy town of Maplewood, nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, stood a charming little house with a white picket fence. This house was the heart of the Thompson family's world. It was a place where laughter echoed through the halls and the scent of homemade cookies lingered in the air. The Thompson family consisted of 4 members: Dad, Mike, Mom, Lisa, and their 2 children, Jake and Emma. Each member had their own special role in the daily life of their home, and their interactions painted a vibrant picture of family life. He was often found in the garage, tools spread out before him, humming a tune as he worked. On weekends, he would turn the backyard into a makeshift workshop, teaching Jake and Emma how to hammer nails, measure wood, and appreciate the satisfaction of a job well done. Lisa, on the other hand, was the heart and soul of the kitchen. Her culinary skills were legendary in Maplewood, and the kitchen was her domain. Mornings were filled with the sound of sizzling bacon and the smell of freshly brewed coffee. She loved cooking together with her kids, turning meal prep into a fun and educational activity. Her special recipe was a secret blend of love, patience, and a pinch of something magical that made every meal extraordinary. Jake, the eldest, was a curious and adventurous teenager. He loved exploring the nearby woods and often came home with stories of his discoveries. His room was a mini museum of interesting finds, rocks, feathers, and old coins. Despite his adventurous spirit, he was always there for Emma, his younger sister. Emma, with her bright eyes and boundless energy, was a budding artist. Her room was adorned with colorful drawings, and the walls often showcased her latest creations. Evenings in the Thompson household were a time for togetherness. After dinner, the family would gather in the living room, where a large, comfortable couch faced a fireplace. They would play board games, watch movies, or simply chat about their day. One of their favorite traditions was movie night, complete with popcorn and cozy blankets. They would pick a movie from their ever-growing collection and settle in for a fun evening of laughter and entertainment. On weekends, they would often go on family outings. Whether it was a picnic by the lake, a hike through the woods, or a visit to the local farmer's market. These adventures were always filled with joy and discovery. It was during these outings that they shared their stories, dreams, and hopes, strengthening the bond that held them together. The Thompson home was more than just a house, it was a haven where love was expressed in every corner. From the carefully arranged family photos on the walls to the hand-drawn, "I love you" notes that decorated the fridge. It was a place where every member felt valued, where each day was a new opportunity for connection and joy. And as the sun set over Maplewood, casting a warm, golden glow over their home, the Thompson family gathered for one last moment of togetherness before bed. They would share their thoughts on the day, exchange hugs, and remind each other of the simple, profound truth. Home is not just a place, but the people who make it truly special. That sounds like a fantastic channel concept. Helping people learn English online can be incredibly rewarding. Are you focusing on specific methods or tools, like interactive exercises, grammar tips, or language practice?